1 liter of liquid P has a mass of P grams and 1 liter of liquid Q has a mass of Q grams. A liquid R is made by mixing a volume of liquid P with a volume of liquid Q in the ratio 3:7. Find an expression in terms of P and Q for the mass of 50 liters of liquid R. So what we start with is the volume of the liquid P and the volume of the liquid Q. So you see, what mixing it in the ratio of 3:7 would mean that 3 parts of P are mixed with 7 parts of Q. So therefore, in liquid R, the volume of P would be 3 out of 10. Okay, 3 out of 10 liters, and it's a fraction, 3 out of 10, 3 parts out of 10 parts, 3 out of 10, and so we can write volume of Q would be 7 out of 10. Okay, therefore the mass of P would be 3 out of 10 P, and the mass of Q would be 7 out of 10 Q. Okay, therefore total mass in one part of R, so if we say because they're telling us that a liquid R is made by mixing a volume. Find an expression. Okay, so in one part of R, you have 3 out of 10 P plus 7 out of 10 Q equals weight, or it equals the mass, not the weight, sorry. So if we say that this is in grams, you can say it's in grams, so that would be the mass of P and Q, so they together are making up R. So the mass of P and Q in one part of R would be 3 out of 10 P plus 7 out of 10 Q. So therefore in 50 liters of liquid R, I'm just writing R. The mass of 50 liters, so that volume of R, the mass would be 50 multiplied by 3 out of 10 P plus 7 out of 10 Q, and that equals 50 out of 10 times 3P plus 7Q, and that equals 5 times 3P plus 7Q, and that is the answer. So we need to just find an expression for P and Q for the mass of 50 liters, and this is the expression, that is 5 times 3p plus 7q.